Is your key fob cracked or worn out? Imagine restoring it to like new condition without buying a whole new remote. This keyless remote case replacement offers a simple, cost-effective fix that gets your key fob looking and working like the day you got it. I've seen too many key fobs suffer from cracked covers and sticky buttons. Instead of struggling with a malfunctioning remote, this replacement case lets you swap out the worn shell while keeping all the original electronics intact. It fits perfectly over your existing transmitter, creating a tight seal that blocks moisture and debris from damaging the internal components. That means your key fob stays protected and reliable for longer. One user shared how the new case made their 1998 Ford Ranger remote feel brand new again. No more hard pressing, just a smooth touch that works every time. The design matches the original dimensions exactly, so installation is straightforward. Just transfer your battery and motherboard from the old case, and you're good to go. Plus, before ordering, you can easily check if this case fits your exact make, model, and trim using the garage tool. It's a smart, convenient way to save money and extend the life of your key fob. If that's you, tired of dealing with a cracked or sticky key fob, this replacement case is worth a look. It's affordable, reliable, and designed to restore both the look and function of your remote without hassle. Try it when you're ready to bring your key fob back to life.